Now students, I taught you about the uses of computer in school and our homes. Now let me talk to you about the hospital. Why it is necessary to have a computer in our hospitals. Now why? Because in hospital mostly it is used for the patient's record. Like if any person is severely ill or having some of the other things, like anyhow he is ill, the hospital has computers in it, and in which the details of the patients is given. Then doctors also use the computers for in operating. Like if they are doing an operation, they use the computers also, so that they become more confident while using the computer. Okay. Then banks. Why it is necessary in banks? Yes. Banks, why it is necessary? Yeah, it is necessary because it keeps the record of each and every customer who is having an account in their bank. Then ATM is also a machine only. It is almost like a computer. ATM machine is used to withdraw the money. Nowadays we are having a machine to deposit also, to deposit the cash. Then railway station. Why do railway stations and airports have computers? Because it helps them to book tickets and make reservations. Reservation means you get one seat particularly, right? If they don't have the record, then how can you get a sleeper seat or a AC seat available? It is for the booking tickets. Then getting arrival and departure information of trains and flights. Sorry. Usually computer is also used for the arrival and departure informations, like at what time the train is going to take off, at what time the train is going to start, and at what time it's going to departure. Then flights also, when it's going to take off and when it's going to departure. Then shops. Why it is necessary in shops? Because it maintains the details of the goods. Like you can have the details regarding how much stock is there with you in the shop. That is why it is necessary to have in shop. Then computer is also used to print the bills and receipts. Yes, the computer, they also print the bill so that it becomes easy to pay the bill. Okay. Then research. Space research means computers are being used in rocket launch. Like at what time they are going to launch the rocket, what is the weather condition, whether it is possible, how many days it will take to reach in the space station. So many things are there. It is very, computer is very necessary thing in our day to day life. Yes. Then designing. Yes, computer is used for designing the buildings. Nowadays everybody is using designer clothes also, so it helps us to design the clothes also. So many things we can do with computer. Yes. Now let's see. Now designing a car. Yes, with the help of the computer, the engineers also design the cars. They design the internal machines and then they work on it. Then offices. Why it is necessary in offices? Because they type and they print the documents. Yes, it is used to type and print the documents and send messages through email. Like nowadays computer is a very necessary thing for the office work, because it helps them to for maintaining records, type and print documents, send emails and the accounts and so many things in the with the help of computer. Then an office is totally empty without a computer. They can't work very properly, because it is a very useful thing nowadays. Now what about hotels and restaurants? Yes, a computer is used in a hotel to maintain the availability of rooms, and then print bills to get the orders, to maintain the details of food items, then booking rooms. Yes, in hotels and restaurants it is very necessary also. Then last, publishing and making films. Yes, publishing means like your computer book is printed. How it is printed? Unless जब तक टाइप नहीं होगा आप कैसे पब्लिश कर सकते हो? नहीं कर सकते हो ना. तो कंप्यूटर क्या करता है? उससे पब्लिश करता है. Computers are used by publishing houses to design and print the newspapers, magazines, books, and they design the outer cover and the pictures so that it becomes very interesting to read, and read more well. Yes, and computers are used for making films. Like computer helps in creating the animation shows in the films. Animation is the process of creating lively cartoons as seen on television. Now do you see cartoons on your TV, right? Yes, how it is done? With the help of computer it is done. Without a computer they can't do the animation work, and no cartoon for you all. Did you understood, students? Yes? Oh, hope so you have understood this chapter, and I will give you the notes in the next video. Okay, students? Have a good day.